ready to send money around the globe with ease. Let's get your MoneyGram app set up for smooth sailing. First things first, head to your device's App Store. That's the Apple App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store for Android. In the search bar, type MoneyGram, and look for the official app with the MoneyGram logo. Once you find it, tap the Install button. The app will download and set itself up automatically. You'll see the MoneyGram icon appear on your home screen when it's ready. Now, open the MoneyGram app. You'll likely see an option to sign up or register. Tap on that to begin creating your account. You'll be asked to provide some basic information like your email address, create a secure password, and enter your name and other necessary details. Make sure to choose a strong password you'll remember. Next, it's time to link how you'll pay for your transfers. Look for the option to add payment method. You can usually link a credit card, debit card, or connect directly to your bank account. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely enter your payment details. For an extra layer of security, you can set up advanced preferences. Explore the app's security or settings menu here. You can often enable fingerprint login or set up a PIN for quick and secure access to your account. And that's it. Your MoneyGram app is now set up and ready to go. You can start sending money to friends and family worldwide right from your phone with confidence and convenience.